Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọ bụla ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọ bụla ya bụ ọka aka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi, onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịgị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa mere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt bụ otu ọgbọ wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị bụ isi ala nye, ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụ ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke, mana nwere onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise.
Good evening and welcome to this very evening program. My name again still remains Nneakwuna Chimezie, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. Very, very important that you know. My name again still remains Nneakwuna Chimezie, one of it very kind, and I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. You must lend me your ear, let me preach this very truth to your own hearing. And please note, undilutedly. Now, Mazi Simon Ekpa have gone to court again, and we will win. As long as you believe, we will win. Whether you believe it or not, that is how God made it to be. We will win. But I just want to draw your attention to whatever that is going on in Finland. You see why Mazi Simon Ekpa appeared in the court. Look at the ties that he is putting. The 40 states of Biafra. 40 states of Biafra that is originally created by Mazi Simon Ekpa. I don't mean the one originally created by Mazi Simon Ekpa, please. 40 states of Biafra. If you look at the ties that he put on, you will see stars. Those stars are 40 in pieces, which represent each state of Biafra. So know it that Mazi Simon Ekpa stands resolute. And if you look at the ties, that ties that he is putting, you see the rising sun. So even though he is there, he is fighting and preaching the gospel of Biafra, even in Finland courts. Oh, why do you do this and do that? But Nigerian government have the monopoly to buy us. Is that not true? They have the monopoly to unalive us. They have the monopoly to rubbish us. But we don't have the technical know-how to defend ourselves. That is what they are letting us know. But I'm telling them today, we will defend ourselves. It doesn't matter how many enemies that you bring. We will defend ourselves. It doesn't matter the techniques. At least we are already conversant with the techniques that you have bring. The divide and rule tactics of Britain. Divide them and rule them. Create small group around them. Create Nigerian government Biafra people around them. And then rule them. We understand. But I want to assure you that Mazi Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not letting the Biafra down. Those I can see their small irats on my social media commenting nonsense. I don't give a damn. I have returned to Facebook. Oh, we are no longer watching you. Don't you see thousands of people watching? And you are saying you are no longer watching me. Thousands are watching now. Thousands are watching. Do you know why? They get acquainted with the truth and they follow the truth. One thing that I cannot do upon this very platform is to come and begin to deceive you. I don't have the thing to deceive you. Or you want me to play propaganda against this person or this very person. No matter how, even though where they here, there are people that, not that I hate them, but sometimes I don't like what they do. But I have taken resolution. If Mazi Simon Ekpa said, don't fight anybody, don't fight anybody, he is going to come out. So you are not wiser than him, please. With that being said, Mazi Simon Ekpa is fighting very strong. I just want you to know. And I don't want you to lose focus in this Biafra agitation. Because what the Nigerian government wants is for you to lose focus and say, oh, I don't want to do Biafra again. Like the people telling me, oh, every group, you join every group. I have not told you that I joined any group. I know they join any group. I have not told you. This very platform have never joined any group. In case if you don't follow my program and go and listen to gossips, if you come here, you think that you can use gossip to bring it here. This very platform will continue to preach the undiluted truth. Do you think that I join which group? I am Mwashibrobi, please. I am only following Biafra independently. Ever since I resigned from my destiny, everything that I have done is independently. Even when our PM, Prime Minister, was here, independently, go and listen to my programs. And when our Prime Minister recognized my platform, he did not recognize it because but because I was preaching independently the truth, he recognized the platform. I am Mwashibrobi, please, and I will continue like this. Now I want to present a program of Lolo Nneakwuna. I want all of you to listen to what she is saying. Lolo Nneakwuna, who come out to say, when she visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, she came out to say, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the only Igbo man alive that she trusted to give her Biafra. Mazi, she don't have to trust any other person. Come and listen. You know, I want to tell you people one thing. If you have questionable character, you will continue to swallow and wallow in your own questionable character. If you have questionable character, you will continue to sink. And that is what is happening to Lolo Nneakwuna, or Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie is her name, the mother of the Akunas. Ochie Akuna kagoro na achọghị kanka. Na achọghị kanka, hooking up with her hookup friends. In case if you see anybody around her, just know that they are hookup partners. They are not telling you about Biafra, please. Hookup partners. When hookup partners sees their fellow hookupians, they know them. I am Mwashibrobi, please. Just know that I go lie for you. No, nah. I will continue telling you the truth till Biafra come and beyond. And I have told you the reason why this very truth undilutedly must continue on this very platform. Because Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the creator of heaven and earth, is God and not man. And only him will give us the desired freedom, which no human being can be able to do. Some people say, oh, why are you saying that no human being will give you freedom? Any human being who gives you freedom is under the covenant and the supreme instruction of Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama. So I want to present to you the program of Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie, and I want you to watch this 6 minutes video. I will come back, please.
Igbo Igbo, ekele m unu Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie na-ekwe na-ewetara n'ọnọdụ Igbo. Enwe ndị na-ajụ ịma na agwago m unu na Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie is about the hottest name. Nwụrụrụ ụmụ ajiji ya build nwa content buru ibu, which is fine. I'm at this surprise. Now I'm telling you Makaya today. Moving forward, we are moving to the next stage. So, and we're MFA because it's, you know, Imago, all money like I passed through the attacks, the lying and all the nonsense. I'm there with my name, I can stand that tall.
Una ahụ na ha ọkpọ ha ndị azụ. Ka ihe a na-akpọ sardine ha ndị azụ. This very woman here, she is telling you people that some people, small people, are using her for content, and she think that she done big. How many followers she gets? Me, I follow for small person, Abi. Me and you, who is a bigger name? Me and you, who is a bigger name? Tell yourself the truth. Me and you talking rubbish here, who is a bigger name? The reason why eji akpọ gị n'ọnụ over na evo sabo, tell people ihe eji akpọ gị n'ọnụ, ọ bụrụ na eji ga-create content, you know onye buru ebu ebugo. Ihe eji akpọ gị n'ọnụ over evo sabo, ọ bụrụ na evo bigger name. Ọkpọ ha ndị azụ. I am Nwashibrobi, please. So, she's telling you people, I watch here, you're the down. The woman riapo ihe ọrịakwa, ọ bụrụkwa ma n'ije a. Eluigwe ya akwụ ụgwọ, ebezina, eluigwe ya akwụ ụgwọ, ebezina, eluigwe ya akwụ ụgwọ, ebezina, eluigwe ya akwụ ụgwọ. So, na anyị lụrụ ndị Yoruba, anyị ama na ole ndị Yoruba si agụ ya. Ma jeko jabọ, ma jeko jabọ. Ọkwa ihe a na-agụ? Ndara. Ihe a ngụrụ bụ ihe a ya agụrụ gị in Yoruba language. Eluigwe ya akwụ ụgwọ. You are creating BP for yourself. You want to try. It is not easy. Na-emecha ihe emere with your name. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is inside DSS dungeon. Na-adọ edokirido. Atụọ ya ngo na-adọ edokirido. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nọ dị nke dị easy. But nke gị nwa na onwe gị adịghị easy. You are a free woman. Moving from here to here. You can take decisions. And ọ dị ara gị easy. But somebody who does assassin his name, trying to cajole him before Biafrans. Nke dị easy. Ingrates, tell yourselves the truth. And stop beating around the bush. Just let yourself know the truth and stop beating around the bush. Biafra is here. You can no longer cajole the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because of this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, some people just say, oh, you have switched, you have switched. Kambia bankete hadn't the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Some of you say, no, it is well. I do not send. My message is that, am I really truthful to my God, my personal God, and the creator of heaven and earth and before man? Are you really truthful? Sometimes you cannot please man. And Nwashibrobi is not here to please man. Because if you check to please man, one name when he came to go, do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu please you for me to please you? Do he please you? Upon all the good that he have done, they turn it to evil. And they nailed him. They sabotage him. Did Mazi Simon Ekpa please man? Upon every good that Mazi Simon Ekpa have done, they turn it to evil. And they nailed him. So why do you think that pleasing you is one of my priority? Just remove that. It's not part of my priority, please. And I'm not here to please you. Are you getting me? Please note it. I'm not here to please you. So she is now telling you people that it is not easy for her. That there is a whole lot of character assassination. But she's wanting all of you to hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who cannot express himself inside dungeon. She is wanting you people to believe that the fake account that they told that she said that is posting or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu replying to her is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Imagine that nonsense. The day that they were telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all of you saw that they said in the court that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't have to go online, don't have to have any phone, and don't have to speak. All of you saw it. But this very woman wanted us to believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu inside prison, not on phone. But the judge who jailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said he cannot handle phone. So even if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu handled phone, it has become a saboteur telling Nigeria, oh, he's now handling phone inside DSS. Oh. I mean inside dungeon. Oh. So what is the meaning of sabo? Mwashiburobi is here, please. Oh, it's not easy for my name. They want to damage my name, but you are doing that to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A man whom you confess before all of us that he is the only Igbo man alive that you can believe in. You are damaging his name. But you really want us to pity you. You are in for a shock, please. I am Mwashiburobi, please.
You know, but I'm somebody named once I come with Docha. I don't care. I never, go. Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie put a small name on social media, especially within Igbo community. And my joy wouldn't have been social one and just that I stand for my people. It gives me joy.
This is whom all of you are taking serious. This very woman. She is now telling you people, oh, Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie, she's not even getting her name clearly. Her name is Nneakwuna Chimezie. Who told her name is Nneka Chimezie? Nneakwuna, the mother of Nneakwuna. Chukwu we meziziere yunu. We so no barano gava. That's your name. Nneakwuna Chimezie. That's your name. And please don't get that name wrong. Not Nneka Chimezie. We know Nnekas as very good people. And we know Nneakwuna. We know Nneka. So your own is Nneakwuna, not Nneka. Please get it right, please. I am Mwashiburobi, one of it very kind. And she's now telling you people her name is not a very small name within the Igbo community. And why is it that they do not know you within the Yoruba community where you're married? Or within the Igbo community? And she's telling you people that she's not known by Onyoshi or Onye Nabama. Do you see how irresponsible that they are? They don't even tell you the truth. She's telling you that she's not known for Ohi or Ibama. That she's only known for saying the truth. Then why is she saying that her name was damaged on social media? And you are known for saying the truth. And from your own mouth. So why are people not being sincere, straightforward? You are known within the Igbo community as a Sabo. Imole Ifajona. Generations known Ifajona. That is how they know you. And please don't paint it. Oh, I'm not known as Onyohi Onyama, but you told us your name have been badly damaged. Do they damage the name of the truth to tell us that she's been known for telling truth? And she's shocked. She's afraid. Somebody known for telling truth is afraid of telling that truth to the people who know her. Because she said that we know her for truth and not for evil. I am original Sabo. Nneakwuna. Akwe, ihe gave us original Sabo. Did any one of you know her for telling the truth? Please. This very woman is a renowned Sabo n'ala Igbo. A renowned Sabo, that is one thing that they know her for. And she did not go to Alandi Yoruba Garaga Bo Ochiohu Manedo. I heard that no one Kezia Haya. Kezia had this guy Batari Ego mgbe nwa n'ala Igbo. Nda asa garaga gwuo ọgwụ ego. Ọbụkwa m kwuru. Ihe abụkwa no nwanne ka asị no ihe. But that is by the way, please. I am Mwashiburobi. Igbo community knows this very woman as the original Sabo, and so she will continue like that. Telling you, oh, we are not, they did not know me as a Sabo, and she's afraid to be identified within the Igbo community. She's afraid that her name is being dragged. and they did not know you as Sabo, but you are afraid of those who know you for good thing. Does it make any sense? We know her for good thing, and she's afraid for us knowing her for the good thing and good work that she's doing. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu move around everywhere in Biafra land. Even Ejiofor then move around everywhere in Biafra land. Ejiofor is a perfect example, please. Ejiofor then move around everywhere in Biafra land telling you people Umu Chineke and Ezigbo Umu Chineke until when he sold, you know Judas and Ambonya Gidera Pare Jesus. He became afraid of the same people he dines and wines with. Judas became afraid and went to hang himself. That is a perfect example of you. An Ejiofor. I am Nwashibrobi. And let it make sense. Nobody knows this very woman for any good work. She have not done any good work for Ndibo. Something that she's known and very prominent for is sabotage against the Igbo race. Sabotage. And everyone knows her for her immense sabo. And we will continue to preach this undiluted truth, please. Now let us go. Continue listening to the Sabo woman.
On a young on the streets, I see my people that appreciate me. On a young joy. They complain where I explain to them. On a young joy. Now,
look at the type of people that you people listen to. People on one program speaking from both sides of their mouths. Cannot concentrate to tell you their lies in peace. Speaking from both sides of their mouth, and the agenda is to deceive you. Is that not so? The agenda is to deceive you now. Now, this very woman told you it's not easy. No less you by our own people. On top of that program, she is telling you that, oh, she is not known for bad thing. She is known for good thing. On top of that program, people na our people na. And she have never made a video walking on the street of Biafra land. But she can make a video in Yoruba land. The same Biafra land she will not say, hey, lekwe, anamina aba now. This is Aba. This is Nneakwuna Chimezie. Na yo batago kwa aba. Ogoshia Ivia people are hailing her. Ogoshia Ivia people are hailing her. Ane helegi inezo. Ane helegi inezo. Ane helegi inezo. Ane helegi ki izu ezo nwanyị ara ọ dị n'agbụrụ unu. Our own people are hailing you to become onye ozuzo. Keep on listening. But one thing is certain. They can no longer deceive us. We have one determination and one goal. The total restoration of Biafra. If you are not talking about Biafra, you are talking nonsense. And if your goal is to dent the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Mazi Simon Ekpa, ịkwọ n'aka na tipa bu aja. And if your own goal is to come and whitewash these evil people so that they will look good, for you to whitewash them, you can only stain yourself with the same stain. You cannot whitewash those whom we know to be evil. It's undone. You can only stain yourself with the same stains. Because we already know them as evil people. And by you coming out to identify with them shows how evil that you are. Am I speaking right? Just get it from me. I am Nwashibrobi, please. Keep on listening to your Fogori.
Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie, I came to Igbo land when our land was under siege. I came, I saw, and I conquered. I'm so proud of it. I'm so proud.
Are you listening? She came to Alibo when our land is under siege. And she came, she saw, and she conquered. Do you know why she came to Alibo? She married to Yoruba. She have Yoruba children. And kidnap her na bendidi her. Nobody is talking. Now, our land where we have BLA protecting our land is the place that they have brought so much attack, so much social media attack, so much hatred in order to bring these very individuals down. And we stood on our ground. She came for the sole purpose of destroying the BLA. If people are speaking, please know what they are saying. She came for the sole purpose of destroying the BLA. And she's telling you here that she came, she saw, and she conquered. What did she conquer? That our land is now under siege by Nigerian army. And by extension, Fulani is now kidnapping every bus stop. So there is no longer insecurity because Fulani men are not being hunted like that. Nobody is hunting them. The ones that they call security operatives are looking for ESN and BLA in order to tag criminals. But the main criminals, the main terrorists, are the ones destroying and chasing us out of our villages. So it's right. And that is the reason why you see that Yoruba cleric or the Fulani cleric in Yoruba land, which said that they should terrorize Christians, take them as these subjugate Christians. That is the stand of that man. And he have not been arrested. Nobody have summoned him. No DSS have written to him. Over an Igbo man, it is Igbo people that will start saying, oh, he's here, take him, put him in prison. I am Mwashiburobi, please. Just get what she's saying. She said she came, she saw, and she conquered. Right now is when we are having real insecurity. People are afraid to travel just from one town to the other. People who have villages are afraid to return back to their village. Just a few days ago, Okwa Nanimbo, Koneme, and they displaced people in their community. But she is telling you she came, she saw, and she conquered. That there is no much people that are being, nothing is happening again, and there is no insecurity. And our people are living in IDP camp. Just know that these very people are on a mission, total jihad. There is no better person among them. Total jihad is what they have come for. I am Mwashibrobi, one of it very kind, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. And I want you to know this and know peace. Total jihad is what they have come in every place in our land, and we must resist them. Keep on listening to her, please. Because ejila na asunyo ọkụ ya sị hụkwa ihe ọ na-amụ ababa. Keep on listening.
You disagree with me, you can go and hand transformer. But I came and so I conquered. Oku Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anaghị etinye ọnụ, which is wrong. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is one man. No matter what, don't talk. But I came and I saw and I conquered. Now, people don't know, I've moved on to another stage. Remember, now, I was thinking and to Mazi move on now, considering the fact that they sued me to court. So more later when I gave me to court, I'm waiting for them to serve me court papers. Up to now, I serve them court papers. And how can I Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie on social media? Good luck to them. It's a free world. You own your.
Ọ bụghị onye ọbụla na-agakwa n'iro ka isi dị mma. Okwu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-eti ihe ọnụ, which is wrong. And I have moved on. Ọrụ ka anyị na-arụ. Anyị nọzi na the next level. Anyị move on to the next level. Now listen to Nneakwuna Chimezie. Also get that they have moved on. Ọrụ ka ha na-arụ. And she have told you she have come, she saw, and she conquered. And she have moved on. Ọrụ ka Nneakwuna Chimezie na-arụ. Are you getting it? Ọrụ ihe ọ bịara ịrụ. And kedu ọrụ to character assassinate Biafra struggle, to bring Biafra struggle down. And then your move go on. The hand is in another level. Mmadụ na-ekwu okwu na-erizi no. Mmadụ na-akọ eri, na-atọ okwu ọ na-akọ eze. And she said she think that we should have moved on. Anyị nwa suru gị na court. Ọ sị na ha suru ya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu took you to court for character assassinating him. Ka ị bịa weta ihe niile sị na serve court paper. Though in Nigeria, that is, I told you people na court a na suru nwaanyị a. Na ọ ya aga south ka asai. Court a ama nwa isi because she's working for the Nigerian government. She's working for Sokoto Caliphate. It will not hold. And that is the reason why a non-entity like this, Juwedi Bold, na call Inyo. So na has ndo to Mazi Nnamdi. Ondo to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu suru. Geche me so na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ona akpọ gị na phone. Ịpụta ha sị ha, iji isi evidence. Eche me so na iji evidence na ị ga na hụ onye ọ tọbara ime hụkwa n'ụlọ ebe obi. So there is no evidence again. Ha na-eghekwe na ashị ya nnọọ. Ịhụkwa ihe a na-akọzi na. Ihe ọ na-akọzi na bụ collective. Ọ bụzi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu imere nke a. Ọ bụzi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu imere nke a ka eso ụjọ a na-atọ gị. And the people love you n'ala Igbo. Ị naghị akpagharị ala Igbo. Lee na-arị alba. Ndị Aba na-ajụ gị ese gị na ha chọkwara gị. The other time ịma mgbe a na-amatachaba onye ebe ị gara baa n'ime Maruwa ga na-akọrọ bish. Onye Maruwa akara ịja gị isi na sanku ị nwere lock. Ị nwere lock. Ebe ị gara na-achọ iprichiri ha rubbish. I am Nwashibrobi, please. And you need to listen. Anyị ama njikwa ụjọ dara nwa enwe n'elu. Are you listening to me? The only thing that we have come here is to preach nothing but the undiluted truth. And you must listen when we say it. Ala na-agbazi ghara ghara. She is so much afraid. Ya nwa n'onwe dị free. Or they afraid of a man inside detention. And also na ya bụ big name, big fish. Okpokoro aha na-egbu nwa nkịta. Keep on listening to the Oko Jare.
Mouse, you know, now we are moving forward to another stage. Then when that have moved, here was now peace. How do we unite? How do we bring peace to our land? And Lolo Nneakwuna Chimezie about touch. About touch and over. So I want you to be an some Lolo, why not stay one place so that he won't be again? And then get people in one place, everybody's spending one way. I need a question on the same page. So why would I be in one place? So the thing is that each group will want to have a more than they just stay there. Nelson Mandela said that you succeed listening to criticism, accepting criticism, and then changing the area you get change. You know, so that is it. So I'm going to this afternoon, Mazi Chika Edozieha take group from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I went to Sokoto prison. And I went to Sokoto prison and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are young more. Naming advice to fix things. Now I won't give a continue when I cause I trouble commotion. I not know. Yeah, make sure to ya. Advice because I mean I went there. When there's a major and I only change about the more you know I get
Advisor, ọ gara Sokoto prison wee sị ya na o mebi ishie na IPOB, fix things. Ọ gara Sokoto prison, lee Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anya, leenu the coward, just ebube Mazi Nnamdi Kanu akpọta ya na court. Ọkwụ na ahụ ole ochie afa ya onwe. Ihe ile, akpọtago Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na court, lee ya. Ọ gara sị ya nke na nke. Mgbe nwaanyị a gachara Sokoto pụta, you people listen to ihe ọ gwara unu, report o nyere unu. That she went there to ask Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is really in charge. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told her that DOS is the brain child, according to her, of the movement. And that DOS is an office, not a person. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told her that Chika Edozieha and the rest na ha betray ego the struggle. And she came out to say then na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the only man her life that he can trust. Furthermore, mgbe ha bidoro ghọba arụrazie ala ha ji wee duga ya, in order to ịrụ by Chika Edozieha, because she is wondering why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will reject Chika Edozieha and the Chinasa Nwoshun. Those are the group that send delegates to Finland to lie against Simon Ekpa, and they have collected big money in their purses. And just to lie, put Mazi Simon Ekpa behind bars so that they can enjoy the money in peace. Those are the people. And when she saw that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not buying into her nonsense, she have come out to lie and lie, even say na ya omo ebe onye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tọvara ime ebe o goro ya ụlọ, which is part of the thing ha ji wee kpọọ ya na court si ya bịa prove, bịa weta the evidence. Ka ahụ no evidence ebe egoro ụlọ, ọ na-agbazi ọsọ, olu ya na-esheke o move na on. Mma hapụ gị ka ị gerezie the remaining rubbish. And were ire gị gụọ eze gị ọnụ. This very struggle will move on. And it has moved on. It doesn't matter what the enemies say. Listen to the nkweri or ya kweri. Mbọsị nta ịbịa chọọ n'Owere nchi. Bye for now, please.
So onye m na-ejikwa ozi ugbu a na Chika Edozieha, ana m ekwu ya here. Now, maka ọrụ eche mmadụ isi na mmemme na attack or something, I'm also going to write. Na-ayọ ya ka o dozie asụ na-emeje IPOB, you are institutionalizing it. Because there were a lot of things now the wrong na the IPOB mode of operation, which I also believe they can touch that areas. So those areas I'm going to put them into writing, and I'm going to send it to you through your lawyer or if I I try me in our support, but I'm not support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not supporting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I can't support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in with Simon Ekpa. I wouldn't have supported that, which is the basis of West Mukuminia. I can't support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.